Guys, now I'm going to tell you what I use my solar panel. I'm using it to power. Okay, I'm going to show you what device I'm using. The main thing I use it for is a Raspberry Pi. Okay, the Raspberry Pi, I use it for Pi hole and J downloader, other things, downloading stuff, and it's connected to, this is a 12 volts to 5 volts converter. I also power this switch hub. Okay, I use also for charging cell phone. And this one, the air purifier, this is a me air purifier for cars. That's why it's 12 volts, because this is getting 12 volts. Okay, and also the breaker, the relay. Okay, that's why I'm using it. You should at least have one on your house for preparing for a zombie apocalypse. Got it?